Hi, I wanted to show you my site here. You can see as I made it from your theme, and it's working fine. Almost anything is translated, but as you can see here, this one posted in and buy, but here it is in Danish, and a lot of the other things is also in Danish. So what I have tried is to take down, as you said, that I should take the Democrat PO file and edit that one. But if I do that, here I have downloaded the PO file, and I said edit. You can see like this comes up and it says there's no translations. This is unusual. And then it says update from a pod or take from sources. I tried that, but I didn't have any success. I can also take this and put it into Danish, but I don't have any success with that too. It's Danish like that. So this makes no difference. So this is my problem. I don't know if you can tell me what to do about this.